Machines revolutionize our workflow by automating repetitive tasks, allowing us to focus on more complex and creative activities. Automation minimizes human error and enhances efficiency, particularly in manufacturing and assembly lines. Robotic arms, for instance, can assemble products with unparalleled precision, consistency, and speed, significantly boosting production rates and quality. Modern agricultural machines, such as GPS-guided tractors and precision seeders, are transforming farming. These technologies ensure that crops are planted with exact spacing and depth, optimizing the use of seeds and fertilizers. Drones and sensors monitor crop health in real time, allowing farmers to address issues promptly, thereby increasing productivity and sustainability. Construction machines like excavators, bulldozers, and cranes have revolutionized the building industry. Machines move large quantities of materials quickly and safely, reducing the time and labor required for construction projects. Advanced machinery ensures structures are built to precise specifications, enhancing the quality and safety of buildings and infrastructure. Automated warehouses and transportation systems enhance logistics and supply chain management. Conveyor belts, sorting systems, and autonomous vehicles speed up the movement of goods within warehouses and between distribution centers. This streamlining reduces delivery times, lowers costs, and improves inventory management, helping businesses meet customer demands more efficiently. Machines in the medical field, such as MRI scanners, surgical robots, and automated lab equipment, have significantly improved diagnostic and treatment capabilities. Surgical robots enable minimally invasive procedures with high precision, reducing recovery times and improving patient outcomes. Automated lab equipment speeds up testing processes, ensuring quicker diagnosis and treatment of diseases. In manufacturing, machines like CNC, computer numerical control machines, and 3D printers have revolutionized production processes. CNC machines provide precise and repeatable manufacturing capabilities, reducing waste and increasing the quality of finished products. 3D printers enable rapid prototyping and the creation of complex parts, accelerating product development and customization. Machines play a crucial role in improving safety in hazardous work environments such as mining, chemical plants, and nuclear facilities. Remote-controlled and autonomous machines can perform dangerous tasks, reducing the risk to human workers. For example, robotic systems can handle toxic chemicals or work in high-radiation areas, ensuring the safety of personnel. Large-scale farming operations benefit immensely from the use of modern machinery. Combine harvesters, planters, and irrigation systems increase the efficiency and scale of farming activities. These machines enable farmers to cultivate and harvest large areas of land quickly, ensuring a steady supply of food to meet the demands of growing populations. In the energy sector, machines help optimize the production and distribution of electricity. Wind turbines, solar panels, and hydroelectric generators convert natural resources into energy efficiently. Advanced machinery also manages power grids, ensuring a stable and reliable supply of electricity. This optimization is crucial for supporting industrial activities in daily life. Educational institutions utilize machines and technology to enhance learning experiences. Interactive whiteboards, computers, and educational software provide students with access to a vast array of information and interactive learning tools. Virtual and augmented reality machines offer immersive learning experiences, making education more engaging and effective. Machines have transformed transportation systems, making travel faster, safer, and more efficient. High-speed trains, automated metro systems, and electric vehicles reduce travel times and environmental impact. Advanced traffic management systems use data from sensors and cameras to optimize traffic flow, reducing congestion and improving safety on roads. Technologies such as smartphones, computers, and the internet have revolutionized how we interact and share information. Machines facilitate instant communication, enabling remote work and collaboration across the globe. This revolution has opened up new opportunities for businesses and individuals, fostering innovation and connectivity. Machines are essential for space exploration, allowing us to explore and study distant planets and celestial bodies. Rovers, satellites, and spacecraft are equipped with advanced technology to conduct experiments and gather data. These machines help us understand the universe better and develop technologies that can benefit life on Earth. Machines play a vital role in monitoring and protecting the environment. Sensors and drones collect data on air and water quality, wildlife populations, and deforestation rates. Scientists and policymakers make informed decisions to address environmental challenges and promote sustainable practices. In the financial sector, machines facilitate secure and efficient transactions. ATMs, online banking platforms, and automated trading systems enable quick and convenient financial operations. These technologies improve access to financial services, enhance security, and reduce the time and cost associated with financial transactions. Machines support retail and e-commerce by streamlining operations and improving customer experiences. Automated checkout systems, inventory management software, and delivery drones enhance efficiency and convenience. These technologies enable businesses to serve customers better and operate more profitably. Systems use machines to enhance comfort, security, and energy efficiency. Smart thermostats, security cameras, and automated lighting systems allow homeowners to control their environments remotely. These systems optimize energy use, improve safety, and provide convenience, contributing to better quality of life. Machines facilitate research and development across various fields. Advanced laboratory equipment, data analysis tools, and simulation software enable scientists and engineers to conduct experiments and develop new technologies. These machines accelerate innovation and contribute to advancements in science, medicine, and industry. Machines like chatbots and automated call centers improve customer service by providing quick and efficient responses to inquiries. These systems handle routine tasks, allowing human agents to focus on more complex issues. This enhancement improves customer satisfaction and operational efficiency.